Ever heard of Python? It's one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Created by Guido van Rossum, its key philosophy is simplicity and readability. That's why it's so easy for beginners to learn. What makes Python so great is its versatility. You can use it for almost anything from building websites and web applications with frameworks like Django and Flask to analyzing massive data sets in data science and machine learning. Python is also a favorite for automation. It can be used to write scripts that automate repetitive tasks like organizing files on your computer, scraping data from the web, or sending automated emails. It's also used to building games, desktop applications, and so much more. With its simple syntax and massive collection of libraries, Python allows you to write less code and get more done. It's used by tech giants like Google, NASA, and Instagram. If you're looking for a powerful, flexible, and beginner-friendly language, Python is the perfect place to start. See you next time.